Hi, thank you for attending TDA Research's discussion of our ongoing progress designing advanced electrocatalysts for use in submarine oxygen generators. The PI of this project is Dr. Girish Srinivas, whose contact information can be seen on the slide. My name is Allie Robinson. I'm one of the technical leads on the project, and I will be giving the presentation today. TDA Research has been in business for over 30 years. We're located in the Denver area with facilities in Wheat Ridge and Golden, Colorado. Our researchers have degrees in chemistry, engineering, material science, and related fields. One of our major research areas is materials design and development. We have decades of experience in catalyst and sorbent design, synthesis, and commercialization. In addition to materials development, we are also very experienced in both process development and in prototype design. In the topic that I'll be discussing today, the Navy sought solutions to reduce the platinum loading in electrolyzer catalysts. These materials contribute to about 25% of the total cost of an electrolyzer stack, which is a critical component on board submarines. Therefore, any cost savings would be beneficial. Traditional electrolyzer cathode catalysts are made of platinum, which is a very expensive noble metal. To date, no other metal or combination of metals has shown comparable performance to platinum catalysts, so reducing the amount of platinum used is the most promising way to reduce the overall cost. Our target in this effort is to reduce the amount of catalyst used by an order of magnitude, while maintaining the same activity and stability over time that is expected of a traditional platinum catalyst. The specific targets outlined by the Navy are to generate 225 standard cubic feet per hour of oxygen, and to have a lifetime of at least 30,000 hours without requiring replacement. The resulting electrolyzer stack will be applicable to implementation on Virginia and Ohio-class submarines. An electrolyzer is a critical technology on board submarines. It is used to split water to create breathing oxygen for the crew. An electrolyzer consists of two electrodes, an anode, and a cathode. Both of these require specialized catalysts in order to split water. The cathode typically employs a platinum catalyst, which is very expensive. The current selling price of platinum is nearly $1,000 an ounce. In order to reduce the cost associated with oxygen generation, the amount of platinum used in these catalysts needs to be lowered. The Navy is seeking a catalyst that can reduce this platinum content by a factor of 10 without sacrificing any performance achieved by a traditional catalyst. In addition to use in electrolyzers, these catalysts are also relevant for fuel cells, which commonly use platinum electrodes as well. Therefore, this catalyst will benefit not only naval submarines, but a variety of civilian markets as well. TDA's solution to this problem is to create highly dispersed platinum catalysts that contain a large number of very small platinum particles. Only the surface of a platinum particle is active for the water splitting reaction, so by stabilizing very small particles, we can increase the active surface area of platinum. This reduces the required platinum loading on the electrode, and therefore also dramatically reduces the cost. We're able to achieve this using novel carbon supports that are produced at TDA, which are designed to anchor the small particles and prevent them from agglomerating. Typically, small particles tend to migrate on a catalyst surface and recombine to grow larger in a process known as sintering. This causes catalyst performance to degrade over time. TDA's proprietary supports avoid this issue by stabilizing the small particles and preventing them from sintering, maintaining a high platinum surface area while reducing the total platinum content. Optimization of our supports is the enabling technology that has facilitated an order of magnitude reduction in platinum content. In our preliminary testing, we showed that an electrode prepared with an order of magnitude less platinum using TDA's catalyst showed comparable activity to a traditional platinum on carbon catalyst. To date, our catalyst has shown promising results in bench-scale electrolyzers. We have prepared electrodes using an order of magnitude less platinum than a traditional electrode and have seen similar performance. These tests have measured the initial catalyst performance as well as the performance over a 10-hour durability test. We're collaborating on this project with NEL, a world leader in the production of electrolyzer equipment and a current Navy vendor. They have verified our results with their own testing, demonstrating that TDA's catalyst can achieve comparable activity to a traditional electrode with reduced platinum content. We have successfully scaled up catalyst production to 50-gram batches and beyond. Current efforts are focused on scaling up further to demonstrate commercial-scale catalyst production at TDA using our pilot and commercial-scale catalyst synthesis equipment. The key advantage of TDA's catalyst is that it achieves similar performance to a traditional platinum electrocatalyst, but with an order of magnitude lower loading. This reduction in platinum content provides a significant cost advantage compared to traditional materials that are currently in use by the Navy. The Navy has estimated that this reduction in platinum loading will reduce the cost of each electrolyzer stack by about $200,000, which will result in total cost savings to the Navy on the order of tens of millions of dollars. Continued research is ongoing at TDA to further reduce platinum loading by fine-tuning the properties of our novel carbon supports. In order to transition this technology, additional long-term durability studies are required. This will allow us to validate the long-term performance of these catalysts. This is common practice in catalyst development to ensure that the material will maintain its performance over the expected lifetime. In this case, the Navy is seeking materials that can perform for over 30,000 hours. We plan to begin longer-term durability testing with our collaborator NEL, who can test the catalyst in their larger, more realistic scale electrolyzers. If funding permits, we also aim to test these catalysts in the same model of electrolyzer stacks currently used by the Navy. This will allow us to evaluate their performance in real operating conditions and further advance the TRL. Ideally, we will seek follow-on funding to perform this testing after the Phase 2 project in order to prepare for acquisition by the Navy. We are also currently in search of a primary transition advocate. Our market analysis has shown that in addition to application to the Navy, TDA's novel platinum electrocatalysts have a variety of commercial uses as well. Reduced electrolyzer costs can be applied not only to naval applications for creating breathing oxygen, but are also relevant in the civilian market for sustainable hydrogen production. These catalysts are also relevant for use in fuel cells, which have a wide range of civilian applications. As we've already begun demonstrating during our catalyst scale-up efforts, TDA has the equipment required to produce commercial-scale batches of catalyst. We plan to synthesize catalyst at TDA and sell it to a commercial producer of electrolyzers, such as our collaborator NEL, for integration into their electrolyzer stack and subsequent sale to the Navy. TDA has previously produced and sold catalyst to the military, and will further develop this electrocatalyst technology to be a leader in the production of platinum on carbon for Navy electrolyzer stacks.
We are currently working to identify a program office to work with on transitioning this technology. In addition, we're seeking follow-on funding after the Phase 2 project to conduct the required qualification testing in real conditions, as well as to demonstrate that we meet the required military standards within a naval electrolyzer. This will allow us to further advance the TRL. At the end of the development process, TDA plans to manufacture the catalyst to sell to a collaborator, and then this collaborator can manufacture complete electrolyzer stacks to provide to the Navy. In addition, this platinum catalyst may also be of interest in civilian markets for sustainable hydrogen production or in fuel cell applications.
Thank you for your attention. In addition to attending our virtual booth, please feel free to reach out to the project's PI, Dr. Girish Srinivas, at any time. His contact information is showed on this slide. Thanks again.